Okay, this video is on price discrimination. So, what is price discrimination? Price discrimination is when a business sells the same good at a different price to different buyers. Willingness to pay is a major part of price discrimination because businesses can charge higher prices to buyers with a higher willingness to pay. So, what needs to be met before businesses can price discriminate? So, there are lots of things a business needs before it can price discriminate. An important point to note, though, is that price discrimination is not possible in competitive markets, since the businesses are price takers. This issue can only arise in monopolistic competition or an oligopoly. Firstly, a business needs to have market power, which then gives them the ability to set the prices rather than be price takers. Second, they need to be able to segment their market, meaning that they need to be able to divide the customers into groups based on their willingness to pay. Third, they need to be able to prevent arbitrage, which means preventing people from buying the goods at low price and selling it for more. And fourth, the cost of preventing the arbitrage and segmentation in the market needs to be lower than the additional revenue that the business would be getting. So there are three types of price discrimination. There's first degree, second degree, and third degree. First degree is when a business charges people the price which is equal to their willingness to pay. Second degree is when a business changes the price based on different amounts of the goods being purchased. And third degree is when a business charges a different price to different groups of people. So, three examples of price discrimination. So, an example of first degree price discrimination could be real estate transactions. This is an example of first degree because if you are selling a house, you want everyone's willingness to pay might be different. So, from a homeowner's point of view, they would want to negotiate with the buyer to sell the house at the buyer's top budget, which would be their willingness to pay. An example of second degree could be phone data plans. The more data you get, the more you pay in total, but the price per gigabyte of data goes down slightly. An example of third degree price discrimination could be lower prices for first time customers or consumers. This makes it so it more attracts potentially more price sensitive customers while charging more loyal or returning customers higher prices.